Okay, hey guys, that's way too close. Oh my goodness. So, many of you requested this video idea, and you guys been begging me and begging me for it, which is a marker organization or organization clean with me video. And I'm like, well, what more can I offer? And so I thought to myself, my art room can use a little cleaning. So I cleaned off my desk area a little bit. Then I moved to my marker, which is over here. If I can angle it right. There we go. There's my markers. So there is that. I will be putting markers away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It feels so good to be on camera again. It's been a while since I've been on camera, so hopefully I don't scare you off. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to be working on coloring pages in between cleaning, so I'm going to be showing you updates on my coloring page I've been working on all night. Kind of like a long project, and then I might color it tomorrow, or finish it tomorrow, depending. So yeah. So anyways, I'm going to show you my progress of the illustration what I'm working on, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm excited for this video because this is the most requested video. So Molly, if you're watching, this is for you. Thank you for requesting it. So hopefully you guys, I got really inspired once I saw my artwork coming together. I still got a lot of work left to do, so there might be more videos coming your way soon. So like this video, don't forget to give big, if I could talk, big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn that red subscribe button to gray. So continue watching the video. Thanks guys. Bye guys. Okay, hey guys, this might not be the best angle for what I'm working on, only because I'm kind of working on a sketch still on my coloring page, so I'm really excited how this is coming along. It has a lot of detail to it, so I can't wait to color it after it's done. Right now, I can't really tell, but once the line art gets done, like this is the pencil stage, and once the line art gets done, you'll be able to see it clearly. But it's supposed to say Happy New Year 2021. Kind of like a Happy New Year coloring page. I thought it would be funny to include monsters and all kinds of creatures in here, and kind of like my monster, like the monsters are having a party. Though I could have drawn party hats on the monsters, but I didn't think about that just now. So maybe I could do a second one for it, or with the party hats. But if there's some way I can link my coloring pages or upload them to the description box down below so that you guys can have it in one place, let me know what I can do with that. That'll be awesome. So I hope you guys like this cleaning video. This is what I'm working on now. There's the top part of it. What I'm working on, and I have to finish the bottom portion of it. I might include a speed paint at the end of the video or something, depending on how the line art's coming, if I do the line art today or tomorrow. But I've been working on this all night, so I've been working on it since dinner. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, stop talking now. This is what I'm working on currently, coloring page. By the way, all my coloring pages, if you guys want to color along, they're on my Instagram, email Anna08. I have simple ones, I have complicated ones, it's more advanced. Complicated one I'm working on right now, so yeah. I like to add a lot of detail to my coloring pages because I get carried away with the detail, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead, stop talking, and let you guys watch the rest of the video. If there is the rest of the video at this point, I don't know how I'm gonna edit it. So yeah.